I'm heading over to one with 2 struts. I just gotta put them on the door. The door's kind of cracking. It's an old metal door. I told them around 700. I'll probably get a little more for 2 struts. And they're up there on the truck. I don't know if they're hanging over and you can see them, but they're up there somewhere. Can you see them? But anyway, I'm heading out to that, and then I got another one. The guy has 2 doors on it, and he needs them. He said neither one of them are working, so I'm gonna go by that one after, and I'm gonna keep you posted on these. I should make probably around 1,500 today on 2 calls. Anyway, I'll talk at you when I get there. Is there any dog there? Does he bite? Maybe? It looked cracked on the pictures that he showed me.
Don't drop it on you.
Don't drop it? Yeah, these cracks weaken it. See, when he gets up, it's gonna flop down. Because there's no strength, they're all cracked. I'll just leave it like that.
Okay.
And then, what kind of dog do you have?
Pit bull.
Oh my God.
But it's outside.
Will he bite if he gets out?
No.
You sure?
No. Well, not sure, but he hasn't bitten anybody yet.
But is he friendly with people?
Yeah.
You sure? I don't want to make a mistake and he comes out. One time this lady told a guy that works for us, oh no, he doesn't bite, and he took his toolbox out and bit him in the hand.
Yeah, no. So just don't drop that on you.
No. I'm good. I've been doing this for 40 years. On these panels, see these are all torn? There's no strength, so when it gets open, it wants to fold, and then when it goes to turn, it's all bent. So, but you don't need one really on there. That's good enough. That's not going to do anything. But these ones look bad in the middle. So I'll put one here, and I'll put one here. It's okay down here. They put one up here, but they only put one on. Okay, I'll bring everything in, and does he need to know the price first? Cause I'm gonna service it too. I told him it'd be around 700 before on the phone, and he was happy because he didn't want to have to get a new door.
Okay, 700.
Yeah,
so what
it's gonna be around that.
Around that. Yeah. Okay. So let me call him.
Yeah. I'm gonna add tension to the spring. And then I gotta write his name, and unless you wanna write it, phone number. You want me to set your clock on here?
Sure.
There. Just tell him to clean off the door and it'll look good again.
Okay.
Like all the dirt on it, kind of like old and ugly.
We call that.
See all there, you can just hose it off or clean it or something.
Okay.
And then clean all the spider webs and it'll look good. I mean, it's got the cracks, but it's all being supported all the way through the door now, so it's not gonna fall down. Although it was done pretty good. I mean, they spiraled the wire and stuff. So whoever put it in, it's when the house was built, right?
No, one time when we came in, it dropped. So we
got a new door?
Service, yeah.
Oh, okay. So anyway, everything's good. Everything's oiled. Springs are adjusted. Everything's tight.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. That's what you just paid. 727. And that took 15 minutes. Okay. So now we go to the next one. Okay. Perfect timing. So anyway, I'm going to my next job. I will get back to you on the next job. Over and out. Time right now, 5:27. Didn't start work today till like right before 5 I got there. I got out of there early. Now I'm heading over to the next one. I told them after 6, and then I got another one after that. So I got 2 of them after 6. So look, I was off all day. The day is already over, and I'm still gonna probably before 7:30 I'll be done. Where can you do that? If this was 8 in the morning, I'd be done by 10:30. So I still got 2 juicy jobs to go. Look at this. Anyone ever see Bart? Look at that Bart train going there. Anyway, I will be back on as soon as I get there. I gotta save my battery. Hey, I'm here.
Okay, good.
How you doing?
Let me show you the garages.
Yeah, do you want to go through there, or are they open up?
Well, yeah, I'd like to go through there. So
Well, all right. You got 1 spring on this and 2 on this one.
Yeah, this one doesn't work because the clicker doesn't work.
Yeah, you got some old opener. Well, this is definitely old.
And let me show you what's wrong with this. Lock that in place. Okay, when you hit the button, this is what happens. So it works fine, but then whether you use the clicker or the button and you go to close it, it does this.
Yeah, all right. It had the clutch adjustment on it where it probably needs service on everything. Have you serviced the doors at all?
Not in a long time, no.
I mean, I could service the doors, both doors. It's $349 a door. It's actually $408 with the opener per door on our price tag, but I could do both doors and both openers for $349.
All right, I can figure it out. Could you figure out how to get me a clicker that opens this garage door?
The thing is you don't have the sensors on them, see on the bottom, and they stopped manufacturing anything prior to the safety sensors. I could put a universal radio on it, but I mean, do you sure you want to waste your money on this thing? Because it's really old, probably 40 years old at least. These are a law, you have to have them on. Like when you go to sell your house, they're going to tell you it doesn't have the safety sensors. This one doesn't have it, this is prior to it. So, I mean, I remember putting those ones in, it was in the late 70s.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, this one's got the cameras on them, so there's no reason to change that one. But look at this. This has got. All this was a spider. It built a little cocoon. It started moving when I poked the screwdriver a little bit in. It started with a scary white spider. I seen the cocoon thing start like moving. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna turn up the dials here. There, the dials are up. Works. Whoever put these in, they didn't, like I'll rehang this one here. You're not supposed to mount this thing to the top rail. See, these are only stapled together. Okay. They did it on both, so whoever put them in.
All right, so let me write your check.
Okay.
And today is what, the 7th?
Yeah, 7/7/25. It's $349, but I said return Thursday after 1 to install opener. I'll see you on Thursday. Okay.
I'll give you a holler.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay, that one took me 10 minutes. $349. This is the one earlier, 727. So I'm over 1,000. And really, all they had was a little cocoon built over the lens, the sensors, and I can see it's blocked. After I told them I can service it, I just seen it. I got a screwdriver and I cleaned out the little white cocoon over it, and I can see the spider bulging out of it, like moving around in there. Anyway, that's all I really did, and it worked. And then I lubed it, tightened up the nuts, and I sold them an opener for $12.95, which will take me less than an hour. I'm going back on Thursday. Today's Monday. Going to the third and final. I'm at 1,075 now. This other one, I have a feeling it's gonna be good because that's a real good area to go. Anyway, I'll get you when I get there. How you doing?
Good, thank you.
What's happening here?
What will go up and then we close again. However, this one is not working.
That wasn't a good sound. This door is very heavy. You see they got 2 hinges and long rollers. Whenever they do that, the door is very heavy. Normally you have 1 hinge and a short roller. So now go down.
Yeah.
That's what I gotta try it. I gotta try it by hand. Let's see if I can lift it. Let's see how heavy it is. I don't know how that thing can lift it. The head plate up here on that side is bent. That noise you hear is coming from, see this piece here? Drum, see the drum?
Yeah.
See how it's tilting out?
Oh.
There's a lot of tension on these springs. See these right here? That's what's lifting up the door. So there's a lot of pressure on that bearing and it's going out. I can straighten it. You see on the back side there? I can put these lags in through the wall so it doesn't go like this. Let me see if this will program. Yeah, they should have put a lag in there. Did you guys change the battery? I put it on the little one. I think maybe the switch inside might be bad.
Oh.
Let me try. Yeah, that one don't work. That one worked. You want a new light bulb? This will work, but you got to push this button. I don't know, just you want me to service the door? Because it doesn't sound good.
Yeah, can we just talk to her, please? And
Where I was dying for this weather.
yeah.
Now I got the weather, I'm cold. I told the last stop, I said, I can't wait. At least my job is over there. I'm so damn hot. See, now there's not as much tension. You can't do it with the door closed. There would be too much pressure on it. See the mark? It cut through this. Right now, there's no pressure on it because of the springs unwound. When it goes down, they wind up. You see that bracket there? Yeah. I put the spring on there. Right there. See, they had 2 springs. The door was too heavy. I added a spring and made it heavier. Okay, that one there, I got $4.95. And I just put a lag in the head plate. A little grease or lube on it in a matter of an hour's work. Right here, $7.27, $3.49, $4.95. So $1,575. And I'm gonna go back for the $1,300. A little over an hour of actual work. And now I feel pretty good. I'm gonna drive away. We'll call it 2 hours. It doesn't matter how long it takes. And after I hang the opener, you add another hour. So 3 hours, I made $2,800 clear. Learn this trade. I could teach you everything you need to know. We teach you how to get into business too. Everyone's in a different situation. But if you're wanting to get into this business, once you learn how to do it, you're gonna feel so good. Thanks for coming for the ride. I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.